Alright, swag to the wheels here. We have some packages, a lot of packages opened. Let me show you guys what it is. So as you can see right here, we have ourselves a fucking full fucking exhaust system for my car. So we got all the pipes and a muffler. Look at this. It was a limited edition muffler. God something. What is that? God Snow. But so everything came. So I got the headers. These are the same headers that I have on the car right now. I had to get a new one because my downpipe was absolutely destroyed, and they don't sell this specific downpipe separately. So I had to get a whole new $70 eBay header downpipe package. It was actually $78 this time, so ended up paying a little bit more than last time, but this time it's for real. It's legit. Getting all the gaskets and fucking bolts for the test pipe that we have right here. No catless in New Jersey, because 95 and older, you can go catless. They don't inspect you. So, well, it's still illegal, but you can't get in trouble for inspection. But yeah, so we have ourselves a test pipe. And then the test pipe is going to come to this cat back. I mean, this is the whole thing. There's more pipes in there. But this is where it's going to come out. It's a 3-inch cat back. Look how thick this shit is. 3-inch cat back. About to be fucking awesome. To a 4.5-inch tip. But here's our issue. Yeah. So I already contacted the company that sent me this. Yeah, that's a pretty significant dent. And when on the website, I bought it on Amazon, but they didn't ship it through Amazon. They shipped it through their own company. And yeah, it was limited edition. There was only one left. This was the last one left. So I contacted them and I told them it was bent and everything. And I told them, I was like, I saw it was the last one left. I don't know what you guys want to do. So please reply. Thank you, Andrew. Blah blah blah. So Amazon said wait 2 business days to wait for a response. So I highly doubt they're gonna want me to send it back. I mean, if they end up wanting me to send it back, fuck that. I mean, I can try to fix it. Honestly, I already took pictures of it. I'm gonna try to fix it right now, honestly. Just try to get it as circular as possible. And then I was gonna put it together down here, the whole thing together, just because I wanted to. So, but I'm not installing it today because today is Faye's birthday, and plus I got no one to do it with me. So right now, I'm gonna see if I can get this unbent. And I'm definitely gonna take out this fucking silencer. It's only like what is that called? An Allen or something? Allen key to get it out. Cause I want that 4-inch for real, yo. And the headers, unfortunately, they're not 3-inch. They're like 2.5. I think 2.5 piping. Goes to this 2.5, and then 3-inch or 4-inch, whatever this is. Back to 2.5, and then the rest of it's gonna be 3-inch. So yeah, let's try to fix this bend and take out this stupid stuff. Alright, so I got it out as best as I could. Like, it's not gonna be perfect, and what also helps is that it's a dark, it's like a gunmetal. So from a distance, you won't really tell it's that uncircular, but I definitely got it better than what it was. So maybe from like 10 feet away, it'll look perfectly fine. And now I'm about to take take these 2 bolts out and see if I can pull this whole thing out. Okay. Oh man, this might be a lot harder. I thought it would kind of slide out if I took the bolts out, but I don't know. Maybe gotta bang it around a bit, try to get it out. Shit. Alright. We're in the shop. Hopefully this gets done quick. Got all the bolts right here, and the exhaust parts are on the ground over there, so let's do this.
Hoy corrimos mucho y todavía el escáner no me dice qué pasa allá.
It's not clearing up.
Sí.
It has two more things that have to get cleared.
Sí.
And I think we're about 40 more miles of driving.
He doesn't drive.
I know.
Él no lo corrió mucho.
He doesn't drive much.
He only drives a mile.
Dile que me disculpe, me deja hasta mañana, que mañana Melvin va a recoger 50 millas y mañana va a pasar.
He says, excuse me, but tomorrow morning, Melvin's going to come in and he's going to have him drive it.
Sí, sí. Dile.
It's cold, but the exhaust is in, and here's the first cold start. So let's see how it starts. Everything, hopefully, it'll sound pretty good. I mean, obviously it'll sound good, but you guys gotta get your first here, first little here. Hopefully the wind doesn't get picked up too much. This wind best not knock over my phone. That cold idle, that shit needs to be blocked off. But other than that, let's finally go for a ride. I guess that means the car's warm when it finally fucking decides to do this bullshit. So I'm just setting up my camera real quick. Okay, let's see where we're at. Alright. See, it's one thing after another. So quiet on the inside now. It's so much quieter. Oh my god, what is this camera doing? Who knows? But yeah, it is so much quieter in here. And I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a little whistle, so there's a little exhaust leak somewhere. On the muffler, the axle back, I lost the gasket, so there's no gasket for the axle back part of the exhaust. So I don't know if it's whistling from there. It sounds like it's whistling from up here, but I don't know. But yeah, look at this idle, bro. She's high. oil when we get back. Look at this. Oh. Usually when the car is warm enough, it'll go away. So let's see if we can drive it some more. You can really hear that whistle. When you give it some throttle, I don't know. I hear it from the front, but I don't know where it's going from. I think it's idling just because of how unusually cold it is today. Like, it was just finally starting to warm up. Now it's all cold again. So the car, the valve probably... See, the more I drive the car, the more the valve opens up. So the vacuum leak becomes bigger and bigger and bigger until I close it again. So basically, and it mainly does it when it's cold out. Like if it's warm out, like the past few days it's been warm, so it hasn't done it. But now it's unusually cold, and it's deciding to do it a lot now. So... basically, I just gotta fill that bitch up with silicone. Yeah, see, now we got no more check engine light. And it's starting to idle somewhat differently. Yeah, I might need to take off that EGR, the EGR delete. If not now, then probably next winter when it starts starting like shit again. Because that was the hardest it's ever started. I think because there's too much back pressure now and it doesn't like to start. I don't fucking know. But see, now the idle's gone. Like, oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. So she's idling somewhat now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, it's way too cold out for the car. The cold idle thing is all fucked up. So yeah, look. Yeah, this idle's crazy. But hey, it's not about the idle, it's about the exhaust. So after this, I'm going to my friend's house and hopefully he can get some exhaust shots for me and I'll record. Because I have no one here to hold the camera for me, unfortunately. I could put my phone down, but I could do that, but that means I have to leave my phone on the ground recording, and I gotta drive all the way down, make the car loud, and come all the way back, make sure my phone's still there. But yes, hopefully we're gonna cut right now to us driving down the street. So comment right now if you like the exhaust. If not, I don't care. I don't really care either. I have it, so it's on. That's all that it is. Ooh, let's see. Scrape. Oh, a little scrape. Alright, go again. Look at that oil. What does that mean? Tell me in the comments what that means. Is that my piston rings? They're starting to get worn? I don't know. Let me know. So yeah, I'll do it one last time. I'll get some little special credit. So we're at the location, the undisclosed location in deep Mexico, and we're just gonna do some little sound clips. I'm not gonna go too hard at first. Just do a nice cruise down. So you think you could? Yeah. I got you.
see your hats and glasses.
One more thing.
What?
The clutch might slip, so it might sound dumb. I'm gonna do my best.
Alright, he's gonna do his best because that's what Andrew's motto is. He does his best.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So she has an exhaust. It sounds all right. It's a little farty for me. It kind of is a little too farty for me, but it's not bad. It still has a nice deep tone. It's not the worst Honda exhaust you've heard, I'm sure. Even though people love to say they hate the sound of my car, but hey. Working with what I got. It sounds like all these little pops that you hear it too, right?
Yeah.
And then there's those few loud ones.
Well, yeah, when you rev it, it's loud. Occasionally it's loud.
Does it smoke out the back?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. It's starting to smoke now. Hey, squad, look at that! Oh shit! What? What? Who's this? I need to beat this guy. What? Look at that exhaust. That shit's fatter than mine. What? Who's this? That's a coupe too. Look at that rust though. See, look at that rust, yo. I don't want that to be me. Is it manual?
At least he's got his door working in the back.
Is it manual?
Actually, there's no back door.
Yeah, it's a two-door. It's a coupe.
He's got
Yo,
both his doors work though.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. Now these windows, the back windows, they push out.
Yeah,
like a
so
truck.
ghetto.
I wonder if it's
My mom's
manual.
van had it.
Oh, dude, is that a boost gauge? Bruh, he's got a gauge on there. Dude, I gotta meet this guy. Does he have an intercooler? Let's see.
Just drive around his car.
Oh, he doesn't have a lit.
Circle his car.
Oh, he's got the same front grill. Damn. That shit's nice. I need to meet this dude. I'm about to wait here, to be honest.
There's mad Accords here, yo. Look at that.
Yeah, hella Hondas. Well, I mean, everyone has a fucking Accord, though. Everyone's mom has an Accord, bro.
Accords are good cars, yo.
Yeah, they're nice. Nice cars.
That one awkward Civic over there.
By himself.
He was late to class.
Man, that shit had a gauge on it. It's probably like an oil pressure gauge or something like that. Where you gotta get lit. You already know. Me and Papa J gotta get lit. Nah, I'm cutting all that out. Alright, peace out.